fake life. I don't think I like fake life anyway, but I mean, we are here to give you any experience you want. And do you know that you can actually propose to somebody in this studio?
Could you believe that what you are seeing right here is a studio? Yes, this is a studio that feels like a private jet. A studio in Onitsha Anambra State. This is Lamphills studio. They newly established and they came with a lot of packages. This is amazing, guys. You'll be here and you feel that you are in the best private jet in the world. So I'm going to take you around the studio to see for yourself the amazing thing Lampio Studio have brought into Anambra State.
Hi, and welcome to Lampio Studio, the very best studio in Onitsha Anambra State. And when I say the best, it is the very best. Why? Because we have a lot of aesthetics that you can do with our studio. We offer a lot of services. It's not just your regular studio that you just walk in and take a backdrop picture or just and come out. We have a lot to offer. And the truth is that I don't even have the strength to come and start explaining all these things to you. So let's just take a tour. From the reception, depending on what you want to do, we have a lot of setups readily available for whatever you want to do. First of all, we have the plain background that you can use to take any picture you want. You can take your baby pictures, your pre-wedding pictures, your anniversary pictures, convocation, graduation, any picture at all. We have 6 different colors, but then the colors can still be tweaked to whatever you want. Just bring yourself and bring what you want. I'll create everything that you want for you. We also have the private jet where you can, I mean, who doesn't like fake life? I don't think I like fake life anyway, but I mean, we are here to give you any experience you want. And do you know that you can actually propose to somebody in this studio?
So the proposal now, it will now feel like you are proposing in a jet or something. Wow.
Yeah, we have a video of that. Video. Oh,
that's amazing. This place is super amazing. Like this particular section now.
Yeah.
Very super amazing. Wow. You guys came prepared though. You guys came very prepared.
Okay.
So where next are we going to?
We have a lot to show you. A whole lot. You haven't seen anything.
We move.
Super amazing. Nah, 10x in the morning. I think we are prepared for you, right? Let's go. So here is our aesthetic studio. In this place, you can do a lot of things. We have 8 different backgrounds that will cover anything you want to do. Whether you want to do kitchen content, vlogging, podcasts, or even shoot a movie, you can actually shoot a movie here. You just need to give us your concept and we'll arrange everything for you. We have the podcast session where you can create your podcast, talk about anything about life. And I know that some people actually like to talk about their life stories and all those things, but then they don't have any platform to do it. The platform is here.
Okay,
so what else are you looking
the podcast studio, is it now? Are you guys now having programs here?
Programs, sure. Depending on whatever program you want. You just have to notify us ahead of time and we'll prepare for you.
Okay, but you guys don't organize your own program?
No, we have our own programs that we're organizing. We are shooting them yet, but we have not yet put them out there. But we have other contents that we are creating on TikTok. We have the office HR, we have the office gossip. These are the 2 main. I mean, it's a lot. Yes. For the lovebirds that want to create a traditional something, probably their pre-wedding picture, we have a wonderful cultural background for you. I mean, you want to recreate that Odogwu and Achalugo scene. Think no more or act no more. We are here for you. We also have children's props where you can just come and take pictures of your children and all those things.
It's really amazing. So this is in Onitsha here, Onitsha Anambra State.
It's in Onitsha.
Wow.
And it's in Anambra State. I mean, who wouldn't want to have this aesthetic? Come on now. we have so like we are really prepared for you.
You guys
And
are.
then yeah. Hi everyone. My name is forget about my name. What I just wanted to say is that the good thing about this podcast is that you don't have to cram anything. We have a teleprompter. You just have to look at the screen and say whatever you want to say seamlessly and act the part. Just one more to show you. Just one more to show you. The most beautiful, like, I mean, I have never seen this in the history of any studio. And it's here in Onitsha. Let me not say too much. Let's go.
Oh,
This
this is
hospital bed space. There are a lot of things you can do with this bed space. You can shoot a movie, you can do anything. But then there's another important thing that you can do with this shoot. For expectant mothers that want to capture their maternity journey, you can actually use this space to do anything that you want to do. You can capture your childbirth process and tell your story in the most unique way. I mean, won't you like to see how you were able to give birth to that your boy that is disturbing you, that is causing you problem? But anyway, that's not the point. This studio is like, this is the best thing that I've seen in this studio. The very, very best thing. So
the childbirth process is it like monthly short?
no, the childbirth process
Okay.
is just a childbirth process. But then the maternity journey is that from the first time, from when you take in, you can capture every month, every
month.
journey. The first trimester, the second trimester, the third trimester. You can capture it, not necessarily here, but you can capture the pictures, the videos, tell your story and anything. And then probably after childbirth or anything, you can come here and recreate your childbirth process.
Oh.
You get.
That's
We have
quite-
doctors and we have a lot of actors here that can just act out the doctor and nurses part. You don't even
Wow.
have to do much.
To act it.
We have costumes, yes. This is a studio house. I mean, you can do. I told you that you can create a movie here, so you can. You can do anything you want.
I
So
would like to witness that too. Like seeing those actors act the.
yes, we have a video that we did in that aspect. You want?
It's alright.
For now, this is what we have to give you. We still have a lot of other ideas that are coming up, but I mean, it's one step after another. And the thing is that for anything, that the good thing about Lampio Studio is that any idea you want, anything you want to create, we help you to bring it to life. We help you to bring it to life. For this studio, for this aesthetic studio, whatever kind of content that you want to create, whether it's kitchen blog, yeah. For this aesthetic studio now, anything that you want to create at all, whatever content it is that you want to create, whether it's a kitchen series or just video content creation, whether you just want to act a drama, whether you want to act a living room scene, anything at all, we'll bring it to life. Just tell us what you want and we'll create the magic for you. Like at least you ate in the evening. I've never chopped since this week. Yay! My sister. My Belle, you see as I am now, this week they cover